Hi everybody, it's Marcy, and today I'm not here with a crafting video, but I'm here to announce my 100 subscriber giveaway. I'm excited to be doing this. I know I'm late in getting it done, but I am getting it done. So what I've done and what I've decided to do, instead of making something large like a big journal or something that I have to limit to U.S. residents only, I've just made some very simple but very pretty little folding journaling cards. And for these cards, I used Tracy Fox and Artie Mays. They did a collaboration called Nature's Remedies, and it's all about herbs. So I made these 3 little journaling cards. This one has a little front pocket and tag. And here it's got a little tuck with a ticket and a little trade card. And here we've got a little banner with another little card tucked in. And that's the back. This one has a little side pocket with this little booklet put in that you could add some papers to if you chose to. And then you open it up, and we've got a little tuck with a ticket and a little tag, and then just a stamp up in this corner. And then for this one, we've got a pocket again with a little fold out. And on the inside, we've got a little tuck with a ticket, and here a little corner tuck with a tag in it. So those are the 3 little journaling cards that I made to give away for the 100 subscriber giveaway. So this will be open to anyone, anywhere. Here's the rules. You must be a subscriber. You need to like the video, and you need to leave me a happy, nice comment. Maybe let me know what you'd like to see me do or try to do in a video. And you can do that for this video, which will be going up Monday, June 29th. And you can do it for each video this week. I will have a video on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So like each of those videos, leave me a comment on each of those videos, just one. And for each video that you like and leave a comment on, I'll be putting your name in a ticket and my big ticket bowl. It will go in. Then on Tuesday, let me back up. So 5 videos, June 29th, June 30th, July 1st, July 2nd, and July 3rd. Those 5 videos. Give them a like, leave a comment. I will be taking comments through noon Central Time on Monday, July 6th on those 5 videos. And the winner will be announced on Tuesday, July 7th. The winner will need to contact me at my Gmail address, which is MarcysCraftyCorner@gmail.com. It can be found in the description box below, and it should be popping up on your screen about now. Need to contact me via email with your real name and address by Sunday, July 12th. If you've not contacted me by Sunday, July 12th, I'll be redrawing a new name. And there will be 3 winners. And the way I'm doing this, you will have the opportunity to have up to 5 tickets in my bowl for drawing. So just be sure to watch all the videos, leave comments on all of them, like them, and you must be subscribed to my channel. So I'm excited about this. I'm ready to get this started. Like I said, I'm way behind on getting this done, but I'm happy to have it ready to go. And so be sure to leave me a comment and be sure to keep watching. One other thing I wanted to let you know. When I do the drawing on Tuesday, July 7th, that will be the first week that there will not be a Monday video. Normally I put my videos up Monday through Friday. I'm going to switch it and go Tuesday through Saturday. So it'll still be 5 videos every week, but it'll be Tuesday through Saturday. And I may determine that I need one more weekday day to get stuff done. So I may later need to change that again to maybe Wednesday through Sunday or something like that. But to start with, I'm going to start putting them up. Still 5 videos a week, but it'll be Tuesday through Saturday. Anyway, so be sure to comment, like the video, be sure to subscribe, and earn some tickets into the giveaway bowl. And until I talk to you again, please be safe, stay healthy, and happy crafting, everyone. Bye-bye.